Hi students, this is Viswanath, chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. In previous class, we have completed 24th February IIT mains exam. Now, same 24th February morning shift IIT mains exam questions we will discuss. See the first question. What is the reason for the formation of meta product in the following reaction? Aniline is treated with concentrated nitric acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Then we are getting three types of products. All are isomers: para isomer, meta ortho isomer, meta isomer. Here, why do we get meta form? Because here NH2 is a ortho para directing group, but along with para and ortho isomers, we got meta form also. What is the reason for this? It's very simple. Aniline is treated with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 mixture. This mixture provides H plus ion. See the reaction. In this, aniline is treated with concentrated HNO3. This is aniline. It is treated with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. Then it provides H plus ions. This H plus ion combines with this nitrogen. Then it is converted to anilinium ion. Anilinium ion means C6H5NH3 plus. This is anilinium ion. This anilinium ion is a meta-directing group. Meta-directing group. So, because of that reason, due to the formation of anilinium ion, we can get meta form also in a considerable quantity. Then what is the option? In acidic medium, aniline is converted into anilinium ion, which is meta-directing. Option D is the answer for this. Next, which force is responsible for the staking of alpha helix structure of protein? In protein, different types of structures are there: primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary. In that, alpha helix structure is there. That structure is due to the presence of hydrogen bonding. This alpha helix structure in the protein is maintained by hydrogen bonding. Option A is the answer. Next, the gas evolved due to anaerobic degradation of vegetation causes. First of all, what is the gas released in the anaerobic degradation of vegetation? That is methane. So methane gas is released. This methane causes global warming and cancer. Then what is the option? Option A is the answer. Next, match the following. This side monomer names are given. This side polymer names are given. Caprolactam, it is the monomer of nylon 6. Acrylonitrile, it is the monomer of butane N. 2-chloro-buta-1,3-diene, it is the monomer of neoprene. 2-methyl-buta-1,3-diene, it is the monomer of natural rubber. Then, what is the option, suitable option? This one. Option C is the answer. P3Q2R1S4. Okay. Next, composition of gunmetal is. Gunmetal consists of copper, zinc and tin. So option A is the answer. Next one. Arrange the following in the correct order of ionization potential. Already we know that ionization potential means the energy required to remove an electron from the valence shell of neutral gaseous atom is called ionization potential. Take an atom of the element in the gaseous state, then from its valence shell to remove the electron, required energy is called ionization potential. Now 5 elements are given. We have to arrange these in the correct order. All these elements present in the same period in the periodic table. In the same period, left to right, if we move, what about ionization potential? Increases or decreases? Increases, because in period left to right, atomic size decreases. That's why nucleus attraction on the valency electron increases, and hence ionization potential increases. Here all the 5 elements are present in the same period. Same period means magnesium, and then next one is aluminium, next one silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. Magnesium valency shell contains 3s2. Here 3s2 3p1. In this 3s2 3p2. Here 3s2 3p3. In this 3s2 3p4. Okay. Now between these two, magnesium and aluminium, from left to right, atomic size decreases. So generally we expect aluminium ionization potential is more than magnesium, but it is wrong. Magnesium having more ionization potential than aluminium, because in this valency shell is completely filled. Here one unpaired electron is there. So removing electron from 3p orbital is easy than magnesium. That's why aluminium needs less ionization potential than magnesium. Next, come to the next one. Silicon. In these three, silicon ionization atomic size is less, so more ionization potential is required. Next, between these two, what we expect? This is atomic number 15, this is 16. So from phosphorus to sulfur, atomic size decreases. That's why sulfur requires more ionization potential. But actually, phosphorus requires more ionization potential. What is the reason? I think you can guess the reason. Because it is half-filled. Half-filled configuration is observed in the valency shell of phosphorus. So it has extra stability compared to the neighboring elements. Because of that reason, it needs more ionization potential than sulfur. Finally, what is the order? Aluminium less than magnesium, less than silicon, less than sulfur, less than phosphorus. So this is the correct order for ionization potential of given elements. What is the suitable option? Option D is the answer. Thank you, students.